Hello viewer, welcome to Numerical Hub. In this video, we are going to look at how to get a determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. A determinant is the number you get when you multiply the two diagonals of a matrix and then find the difference between the two diagonals. A 2 by 2 matrix is a matrix with two rows and two columns. For example, if we have a matrix M is equals to A, B, C, and D. This is a matrix. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. We have got two rows and two rows and two columns. So if we want to get a determinant of matrix M, we are going to multiply the lead row, the lead diagonal, this is the lead diagonal or the principal diagonal, times minus the other diagonal. So the difference between the products of these two diagonals is going to give us the determinant. So the determinant of M is going to be equal to, AD minus CB. So the resultant value there is the determinant. Let us look at an example. Let us consider a matrix with the values 2, 1, 4, 5. Let us find the determinant of this matrix. So I said that we are going to multiply the lead diagonal. So the lead diagonal here is going to be, so determinant is going to be 2 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 4 by 1, 4 by 1. 2 by 5 is going to give us 10, and then 4 by 1 is going to be 4. Now the determinant is going to be 6. If we look at another one, let us consider a matrix 2, 3, -3, 7. So the determinant is going to be 2 by 7, which is going to be 14, minus -3 by 3, which is going to be -9. So this one here is going to be 14, and then this one is going to be -9. So this one is going to be 14 minus 9. This is the same as 14 plus 9. Integers, that one is on integers. So 14 plus 9 is going to be 23. So the determinant of that is going to be 23. Let us look at the last example. We are going to have 3, 6, 2, 4. 3, 6, 2, 4. Let us call it matrix K. You can pause the video so that you can calculate the value of matrix K. I'll give you a moment. Pause the video, calculate the value of matrix K, determinant of matrix K. So the determinant of matrix K is going to be 3 by 4 minus 6 by 2. 3 by 4 minus 6 by 2. Here 3 by 4 is going to be 12 minus 6 by 2 is going to be 12. So the determinant is going to be 0. The determinant is going to be 0. So a matrix with the determinant 0 is called singular matrix. And a matrix with the determinant 0 is called a singular matrix. If you calculate the determinant of a matrix and then you get the value as 0, such a matrix is called singular matrix, and such singular matrices we do not have their inverse, which we'll see in our next video. Thank you for your time. If you find this content useful, please consider liking, subscribing to our channel, and sharing it with your friends. Thank you.